Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today I'm going to be bringing us a very important thing in JAMB. We're talking about change of course or change of institution. Once you're done writing your JAMB, maybe the score you get is not up to the course that you want to do. You need to do change of course. If you applied for medicine and surgery and you did not get up to maybe 250 or 300 as for some schools, then you need to change your course from that medicine and surgery to possibly microbiology. If the score you get is not up to the score required for the course that you're going in for, very important. You need to do this because, first of all, if you want to increase your chances of getting admission, if you do this, you increase your chances of getting admission in the school that you applied for. Now, also, if you check and you see that the score, cutoff score for what you need in a particular school is not up to, what you got is not up to that, then you need to change to another school that can accept you with the score that you've gotten. You see, so that one is called change of institution. You're changing from the school you had earlier applied for to a new school where you think that the JAMB score that you got will be able to fetch your admission into such an institution. So very important, you need to do this change of course. How do you do this change of course? First of all, you get to www.jamb.org.ng. then you click on create these. Once you type this web address on your favorite browser, I'm using Chrome here, www.jamb.org.ng. this I just typed it in. Then you now have to click on this create e-facility or login. Click on it. It will lead you to another page where you have to log in with your JAMB profile credentials, namely your email. Here you put your email, then you put your password here. So if you're able to log in with your email and password, then you will now see a section where they wrote change of course. You click on it and you affect your change of course. So you can do this by visiting a cyber cafe or CBT center. They are the people to help you do this and make the payment. If you think you can do it on your own, if JAMB allows people to be doing it, then you can also do it on your own if you have a way of making payments using your ATM. So change of course and change of institution is very important. You do it after the JAMB exams are all done. So once they finish writing now, they will tell you, if you keep paying attention to my channel, I should be able to tell you when the application is up so that you can apply for change of course or change of institution. So please, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions and concerns, drop it on the comment section so that I'll always look at them and prepare a video with respect to that, so that when I update them you can be informed and be able to do everything you want to do. So this is still Austin from Tclassified.com. We'll bring you lectures on every subject for your secondary school and university. If you have any course that you want us to work on, drop it on this comment section. We'll look at them and work on them for you. You can also call me with my phone number +234 70671 62698. Thank you.